Cybernetics is a transdisciplinary approach for exploring regulatory systems, their structures, constraints, and possibilities. In the 21st century, the term is often used in a rather loose way to imply control of any system using technology. This has blunted its meaning to such an extent that many writers avoid using it. Cybernetics is relevant to the study of systems, such as mechanical, physical, biological, cognitive, and social systems. Cybernetics is applicable when a system being analyzed incorporates a closed signaling loop. That is, where action by the system generates some change in its environment and that change is reflected in that system in some manner. Feedback that triggers a system change, originally referred to as a circular causal relationship. System dynamics, a related field, originated with applications of electrical engineering control theory to other kinds of simulation models, especially business systems, by J. Forrester at MIT in the 1950s. Concepts studied by cyberneticists include, but are not limited to, learning, cognition, adaptation, social control, emergence, communication, efficiency, efficacy, and connectivity. These concepts are studied by other subjects such as engineering and biology, but in cybernetics these are abstracted from the context of the individual organism or device. Norbert Wiener defined cybernetics in 1948 as a scientific study of control and communication in the animal and the machine. The word cybernetics comes from Greek kybernetik, meaning governance, that is, all that are pertinent to kybernao, the latter meaning to steer, navigate or govern, hence kybernesis, meaning government, is the government while kyberns is the governor or the captain. Contemporary cybernetics began as an interdisciplinary study connecting the fields of control systems, electrical network theory, mechanical engineering, logic modeling, evolutionary biology, neuroscience, anthropology, and psychology in the 1940s, often attributed to the Macy conferences. During the second half of the 20th century, cybernetics evolved in ways that distinguish first-order cybernetics about observed systems from second-order cybernetics about observing systems. More recently there is talk about a third-order cybernetics doing in ways that embraces first and second-order. Fields of study which have influenced or been influenced by cybernetics include game theory, system theory, a mathematical counterpart to cybernetics, perceptual control theory, sociology, psychology, especially neuropsychology, behavioral psychology, cognitive psychology, philosophy, architecture, and organizational theory.